Hi, my name is Betsy Havens and I'm the lead attorney at Strong Advocates. I represent workers who have been sexually harassed, discriminated against, or retaliated against and then fired. All of my clients work with therapists. I want to talk about two different scenarios. One where the client comes in and they already have a therapist that they're working with. And second, I'll talk about when clients do not already have a therapist they're working with. I've found that therapists generally do not have a very good understanding of the legal process. Like many non-attorneys, they think of the legal process as a courtroom that's very confrontational, like you would see on TV. That only happens in a tiny percent of the cases. In about 95% of cases that we work on, cases resolve in a confidential mediation that results in a significant amount of financial compensation for our clients. That process is completely confidential and our clients do not have to see their harassers, their boss, and usually not even the attorneys. Therapists also don't understand what an empowering and transformative process, a legal process, can be for our clients. Our clients go from often experiencing a significant amount of guilt and shame to realizing that what happened was wrong, that they are strong, and that they are standing up for themselves with us on their team. Therapists also have a fear that the harasser, the attacker, or the company might again abuse their power and again hurt our clients. That doesn't happen, and that's because number one, we are there to protect them, and number two, that situation would make it much worse for the opposing party. If you already have a therapist, the best thing you can do is to invite me to meet with the therapist either over a teleconference or on a telephone. For about 10 or 15 minutes, I can talk to the therapist and explain what an integral part of healing this legal process can be, what a transformative process it can be for the clients. They can understand more what to expect, and I can also talk to them about what we need from them. The more we have your therapist on board, the more likely the case is to settle, and the more likely that case is to settle for a handsome compensation for you. In the situation where you come in as our client and you don't already have a therapist, we will help you find a skilled and experienced therapist for these kinds of cases. We'll talk to your therapist from the very beginning to let them know what we need from them and what to expect. Generally, this includes a letter that they prepare supporting you and talking about the experiences that you've been through. And we'll help them with that. A lot of therapists have never had to write that kind of letter. By bringing a therapist on board, we are putting together a team. That team is going to make sure that you are healthier, more supported, stronger, and more financially stable than you were before all of this happened.